Hello everyone, we are on week 11 and this is all the things that are in the other category. And the other category has things like bring some cash, notebooks, pens, little maybe activities for your kids so that they will play and they won't be bored. I have a set of Uno in every single bag because we love that game and we'll definitely not be able to survive without it. It recommends extra keys, so things like that. I also am sharing this document or this handout, which is the Survival Mom. She had a great list of documents that you would need to grab, and so of course I wanted to share that with you. And also emergency contact list, and you'll need to put your friends and neighbors phone numbers. I also did a just used Google Maps and mapped to certain friends, and then I printed it so that to be honest with you, I think about when I'm driving during fog, a lot of fog and mist, and it's so hard to see, and I can't even see the street signs. And so that would be an instance where I would want the actual turn-by-turn directions to their house, because I know where they live and it's easy, but not if you don't have visibility or if you don't have your GPS. Here's my documents binder, and I've got my will in here, copies of my marriage certificate, birth certificates, passports. Just I used a low-tech system of sticky notes, and I've put what's in each category here. Shot records, car insurance, home insurance, bank statements, loans. So this is pretty thorough, and it's great for you to have one thing that you can grab. I don't keep this in my emergency pack, but it will be something that will be on a list for someone to grab on their way out. All right, well, it's going to be quite a lot of work to get something like this put together. So good luck with that, and we'll see you next time. Bye.